So in this video now we will discuss the next tool, which is polar grid tool. So create a grid like this, press and hold shift. You can see that will be like with same width and height. If you will create without press and hold shift, then it can be like any size. And then when we are creating, you can see I have not left yet my mouse, so we can use up arrow and down arrow to increase or reduce the grid like this. Even we can see V and F. So you can see like this it's changing, and C and X also we can use like this. So V, F, C, X, these keys we can use, or up arrow and down arrow we can use. And once we have created this one, then if we want like same thing, we can use live paint bucket, and we can select any color, and then we can fill like specific grid section like this, you can see. So it's very easy. We can fill every grid section like this. And then if we want to change outline, we can also change outline, and outline size also we can increase or reduce. So this is like how we can create a polar grid in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. Thank you very much for watching this video.